talking about outdoor structures, we refer to decks, fences, and pergolas as a general rule of thumb. I think the first order of business is to determine whether or not a deck, a pergola, or a fence is going to be repaired or replaced. So having an expert stop out and take a look at the existing, if there is an existing deck, fence, or pergola, we'll take a look at it and try to determine whether it's would be suitable to repair it or whether it needs to be replaced. In that analysis, part of what we would look at, if it was a deck, would be the framing and the footings, and then possibly the posts, and then it would be the exterior finishes, which would be the decking and the railings. On a fence, it might be taking a look at the posts for the fence and the fence boards themselves and trying to determine whether we could just replace the finishes or whether we need to start over and build something new. Having someone that is an expert in this area is important because, as an example, if your deck is moving up and down with the freeze and thaw cycle, it might be something that just requires new footings to be installed, or maybe a different type of footing so that it doesn't move around, as opposed to full replacement. Or it might be a circumstance where you really need to start over and build something new. So having someone that has that expertise will help give you peace of mind that you're spending your money wisely. Once a decision's made whether we're going to repair or replace, if the decision's made that we need to replace it, it's time to start looking at a new design. Regardless of what type of deck you're going to put in, you're going to need a permit, and so you need permit drawings. You need a well-designed, laid-out deck that's going to function the way that you want it to and meet your budget. So we would start with the design. A fence likely also requires a permit and a drawing submitted to the city, so again, we'll be looking at a design for the fence. Pergola can go either way, depends upon the size of the pergola and how it's being installed. But either way, it's important to have us take a look at it from a design standpoint, how we're going to design the new product. When it comes to installation, when you're making these outdoor structures, you want to have a qualified, skilled carpenter do the work, not someone that is just doing this on the side. You want actually a skilled carpenter do the work so they can execute the plan appropriately and create a long-lasting, beautiful product for you. So it's really important to go down that road. I think if you hire someone who is not as experienced or skilled at carpentry work, you might end up with the unattractive, unappealing deck or fence or pergola, and you might spend as much or more money and not end up with a quality of product that you're looking for. So again, really important to hire a skilled professional to both design it, analyze it, and install it.